Hello everybody. So one of the hardest things with the junk removal is I never have a good place to put my tools. The most important tool out of that is the dolly. Yeah, never have a good place to put my dolly. And putting it in the back of the truck is just a pain, especially when you have a full load and you have to tie it to the top. So today I'm going to build a little mount to go on the front of my truck to hold my dolly. Stick around. So we're starting off with junk here, and I don't really know what this is. I picked it up from a boat repair shop. So it could be off a boat, it could be off an RV. Take your guesses in the comments. But basically I just want this big piece of steel on the back here. And that's going to form our base plate that will mount to the bumper. Now this whole idea basically came from me seeing a FedEx truck or UPS truck that had its big moving dolly attached to the front. And I thought, well, hey, did he just bungee cord that? Well, no, they make these mounts. These are totally legit and real, but I, of course, can't afford one, so we're going to make one. Okay, so we've got our back plate built here. Everything's ground off, the hole's been cut, and I flattened this back side. So this all fits together just like that. And now we're going to go ahead and take some of this angle off. Cut it, probably cut it down here too, and make it so that this rod can slide right on through. Alright, let's cut our pieces. Pieces that are going to align the dolly, but they're also going to act for the latch and the lockdown. So we'll go something just like that. Crisscross applesauce. Oh. So now we can measure. Okay, so I know it's got to be at least 13 and a half. This bar is will slide through there. It's got to be at least 13 and a half. I'll cut it a little long, and then I got to cut a piece of this heavy strap of steel, weld onto there, and then we'll put a little hole so that we can make a lock. Yeah, it's gonna work. Alright, we got all of our parts made up. Now we gotta shine them up, grind them down, get them ready to be welded. Yes, very shiny. all ready to be welded. And we got a serpentine belt. That'll be our buffer, our rub material, so that it don't beat up the dolly bouncing around too much on the front of the truck. So let's take this to Brother Kyle and get it welded.